Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Swarm network token. Now before start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Swarm network is a decentralized multi-agent collaboration protocol that enables users to build, manage and scale AI agents, clusters and swarms with no-code tools. At its core lies the Truth Protocol, a blockchain-based system that transforms information into verifiable on-chain claims designed to combat misinformation and establish trust in a rapidly evolving digital world. Agentic neu- Swarm combines agentic neural networks, cryptographic verification, and human insight to deliver scalable, decentralized truth infrastructure. From real time fact checking on social media to powering data integrity across industries, Swarm is building a future where truth becomes a verifiable public good. Swarm network token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 2.08 billion. Truth token is listed on Binance Alpha and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.